Alright, Matthew, here is the RPK disassembly. So what you want to do first, just get that out of safety. Push this pin in, pull up, that comes out. Push this forward, get it out of the rails. That slides right out, along with your bolt assembly. Then you want to punch this pin out, right here. You want to punch it out from this side, actually. And I'll show you why in a second. Do that. Make sure you stabilize both sides or else it'll get messed up. You definitely do not want that. Alright, so now that's out. And the reason why you want it out that way is because the pin has ridges. And if you put that in wrong, you will screw your gun up. Alright, next thing is in this hole. See if we can focus. The hole right here. It's kind of hard to see, but you gotta stick a hex key in there to loosen it up. Let me go ahead and do that. Alright, that's loosened up now. Next thing we want to do is loosen the hop-up screws. These two. These screwdrivers are from my sister's toolbox, so bear with me. Let's see. Come on out of there. The reason you have to do this is the whole front barrel assembly comes off with or without the hop up, so here we go. Let me just put it down. Slides off. Be careful with the hop up arm here. I would push it in because you don't want to break it. To get the hop up out, make sure you can see this. You want to tilt it up and away. Alright, and this is how you get down to your two separate pieces.